Hey guys, this is an HP OfficeJet Pro X476 DW printer. What the issue is here is that there's an ink system problem, or also another error appeared. It said ink system failure, and then it gave a code. So the reason for doing that with this particular printer that I have is, I think, is because of the ink cartridges. I was able to pull them out before I started this video, and they were empty. So that's what I'm going to do right now. If you have the same problem on a similar Pro X model or the Pagewide, just go ahead and open the front cover, remove the ink cartridges. This is my yellow, and it's absolutely empty. I cannot hear any ink in there. If you just shake it a little bit, there's nothing there. Same thing with the cyan, magenta, nothing there, and they all weigh the same. And then the black does have something in it, which is, it's a bigger tank, so it holds more ink. But anyway, what I'll do now is I just pulled it out. I'm gonna let the printer restart. And another thing is, it's not gonna restart right away sometimes. So you just need to press the power button, and if it's stuck at the shutting down screen, mine did that before, I would just go ahead and pull the cord out, and just let it unplug, get all the electricity out, and then turn it back on. Press the power button again and let the printer start. And it's going to ask you for ink cartridges, and make sure you put ink that has ink cartridges that has ink in it. I'm not going to put those 3 colors in. This is the message if you unplug the printer, and it says not to do that. So a lot of times this happens with refilled cartridges, which you need to avoid. I honestly recommend buying like aftermarket inks if you want to go the cheap way, and they usually work just fine. But when they go to a low level, just replace it so you don't run into a problem like this here, or have any air go into the print head, which is going to cause you problems. So when it asks me to put the ink cartridges in, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So after it asked me for ink cartridges, actually I had to restart the printer again. I kind of got stuck at calibrating, and so I just restarted it. I'm going to put in a set that I had. I'm going to put the black one back in, and then I have the colors. Magenta and cyan. So it's just basically telling me that one or more cartridges is a used cartridge, and it's going to go through like a startup process, calibrating process. I'm gonna hit OK, and then I'll try to print out a page after I'm done. But at this point, you already know that this is what caused that ink system failure. It's one of the first things that'll do that. So make sure you check that, and hopefully I was able to help you with this video. And another thing that we can do with this error, we're gonna go to support menu by hitting the back button 3 times. There we go. We're gonna select support menu, and then use the right arrow to go to resets, and we're gonna do the semi-full. And that'll shut the printer off and restart it again, and hopefully it'll get going with the new ink cartridges that I put in there. After printer is off, go ahead and turn it back on. Then you're just going to go and select the language and where this printer is located, and it's going to start the setup. I hope this video was able to help you with the problem on the printer. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.